Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Triple P. So you're ready to start your own geocaching account, but you don't know how to get started. Follow me along and I'll walk you through the process. I'm going to walk you guys through how to make a geocaching.com account. You'll go to the geocaching.com website. You will click on sign up. You can either use Facebook or you can fill out the boxes. My preferred method is to fill out the boxes. So you type in your email address, come up with a username, have a password that you can remember, and then hit next. From there, you'll go to the email address that you just used. Geocaching.com will send you a validation to validate your account. You click on that button, and you are all registered and ready to go. So now I want to say that there are two different types of accounts. You can be a premium member, which is $29.99 a year, or you can be just a regular member. If you become a premium member, you will have 100% access to all the caches as well as additional features, including pocket quarries, the newest caches, and the most favorite point caches in your area. If you just have a regular account, you'll have access to about 99% of the caches. There will be a few that you won't be able to access. Hope that's helpful, guys, and I'll see you guys out on the trail.